Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on adding music to your Facebook posts on mobile. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. Go to make a post like normal, scroll down the options that appear at the start of making a post, and then tap Music. If the options don't appear, you can swipe up from the bottom of the screen to open them. Here you have many songs to choose from. You can also search for songs and artists in the search bar at the top. Tap a song to select it. You can write something in the text box above the song if you like. If you want to change to a different song, tap the X in the top right corner of the song. Tap Post and your post will be posted with the music you chose. It will appear like this. People can like, comment, and share the post the same as normal. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful, and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more iOS tips and tricks.